Hi friends, welcome back. And today we are going to discussing about constructor function in JavaScript. And previous videos also we discussed about the function creation and lambda function creation and ternary functions creation and all we saw, right? And here also there is one more concept called constructor function. What constructor function can do that? The similar format to how you created the function, the same like let person equal to a curly brace, and you can able to specify first name colon Lokesh and comma last name colon Gorantla. Okay, a similar format only we can able to create our constructor function also. Okay, but here what will happen in case if you are using for constructor? Okay, that basically custom type you need to use it. What is the custom type of things you need to use? There is a new keyword, new operator, new keyword. This particular keyword you have to use a multiple objects we can able to create and we can able to get it. Okay, a constructor function is a regular function with the following operators. What are the following operators we can able to use? Constructor name we can able to start with the some capital letter. Constructor we can able to constructor function start with a capital letter. Okay, and a constructor function should be called only with the new keyword. Okay, new keyword. Constructor must be start with the capital letter and we can able to call it as a new keyword. With these two things only we can able to call. Okay, you can able to see for this particular EC6 onwards these particular things are added. Okay, and how we can able to create a function. Okay, constructor function, let like we can able to say function and we can able to say capital person. Okay, and then you can able to specify first name comma last name, and then you can use for curly braces, and this is the called a function creation. Okay, we can see for simple example. Constructor function dot js. Okay, then you can use for function person, and then sorry, first name and last name, and use for curly braces. Okay, this is the function creation, and also we can able to say inside, right, this dot first name equal to first name and semicolon, then this dot last name equal to last name. Okay, like this we need to create. Okay, and regular format of things. In case if you access a regular format, definitely we cannot get the access, but we need to call this particular person, let person equal to new person, then we can able to call. Okay, this indicate that this particular constructor value we are going to accessing. Okay, this is a function and that particular constructor function we are going to call it, and this particular thing it will accept for any data type of value. Okay, and it will even we can able to make some return type also. Okay, with the return type, without return type, all the things we can able to use it. Okay. Then how we can able to you we are able to do it, right? Then we can able to call console.log, and then you can able to specify person dot and you can see here there is a first name. Okay, first name, and you can able to specify. But if you are not assigning any value, then it will become fail, right? Then I'm going to use for testing, and here again I'm going to specify for demo. Okay, these are the two values. Then now I'm going to open for new terminal, node space dot slash node space dot slash can able to constructor dot js, and you can see testing is becoming first name. Okay, like this we can able to define. Okay, and this particular function it will return all kind of values. How many values you want, that many times you can able to call by using the new keyword. There is no problem. Okay, in case if you want to add another things, then you can able to call it for another thing like one and testing one and demo one, like this, and you can able to call it for that particular object also. Okay, like this. Okay, and if you call this particular function it will return that values also. And here one more thing, even inside this constructor function you can able to create another function. Even you can able to create for another function. How we can able to create another function inside that? Okay. Now we can comment this section. Now same one we can comment this as well. I'll copy this one, and again I'll paste it here. Okay, and the same one we are going to creating for a function inside another function. Okay, constructor function, but we are going to creating another function. Okay, and but we need to inside the constructor function we must use this keyword. This keyword only we can able to refer all the time. Okay, dot full name. Okay, equal to a function. Okay, and two curly braces. Okay, and name, without name also we can able to provide like this with the open braces and curly brace, that also it is valid. Okay, there is no problem for that. Return this dot first name. Okay, plus and space plus this dot last name. Okay, these are the two things we can able to. Then how we can able to get this name, full name, means we can able to call by using new keyword, then we can able to access that particular constructor. Okay, now again I'm going to calling this particular value. Okay, and then we are going to use for console.log, but this time we are going to get the full name. Okay, but this is a function, right? We need to specify for braces, then only we can able to get it. Okay, now again I'm going to use it. See, testing demo also we can able to get. In case it is a basically a constructor function and must be call it by using for new keyword. In case I don't want to call by using the new keyword, I'll delete directly, I'll call it, then what will happen? See, error. Okay, even it is say that cannot read the property for undefined, like that it will says that. Okay, because it is presented but still inside that, but it will not provide you properly. Okay, okay, and how we can able to rectify this one means we have there is a target function, target thing. Okay, there is a target. if you don't want to do for all the things, then we have for another thing called uh, console.log, and we can able to mention for new dot target. Okay, now again we can able to run. See, now it is not defined again, it is a similar format. Okay, but even you can make some throw exception and all. Okay, but any constructor we can able to return something that must be uh, specify. How we can able to specify things? There is a if not new dot target. Okay, and you can able to specify here what you can able to specify. Now I'm going to specifying like return a new person. What we are going to say, in case if they are not used or new with the person, then you can able to specify first name comma last name, and you can able to specify and you can able to return the things. Okay, now again I'm going to make it here, and I'll read for first name. Now you can see we can able to read it. Testing. Without previous we are not able to read, right? Now I commented, and if I go specify again, see error message is there. Now after that, if I make this one, now again if I run now, see testing is defined. Like this we can able to create for constructor function, and even if you without new keyword, if you want to call that particular function constructor function, then we can able to use it by using this new target null, sorry, not equal to new target, and then we need to return that particular person what are the values you want to return something. Like this we can able to do it. Okay, I hope this concept is helpful for you. Thank you for watching. Please do subscribe and share to your friends and colleagues. Thank you.